If you're tired of going back and forth trying to schedule meetings, then this tool can make your life much easier. Today, I'm talking about TidyCal. So, what does it actually do? In simple terms, TidyCal helps people book meetings with you without the usual hassle. Instead of messaging back and forth to find a time, you just share your booking link, and people can pick a slot based on your availability. Everything syncs with your calendar automatically. One thing I really like is how simple it is. You can create your own booking page, set your available time, and even create different types of meetings like one-on-one calls or group sessions. It's clean and easy to set up, even if you've never used a scheduling tool before. Another useful feature is calendar integration. It connects with tools like Google Calendar or Office 365 so you don't get double booked. It checks your real-time availability and blocks out times automatically. You can also accept paid bookings. So if you're a consultant, freelancer, or coach, people can book and pay for sessions directly through your booking page using Stripe or PayPal. The biggest benefit here is saving time. Once everything is set up, you don't have to manage scheduling manually. It just works in the background. Overall, TidyCal is a solid option if you want a simple and clean scheduling tool without unnecessary complexity.